Hi, my name is Lady Moran. Is I ten things had many changes in the future. Is number one. Number one, the active with be destroyer because of the intermetal problems that are begging the handlers in our sociality actual is contribution. Number two, our our population, especially in the countries of um, Latin America, is number three. Artificial intelligence, be the menace of the robot, while that will the help to cards of the work of humans, being in the most have that medical presence is the progressing very shingles cancer vanishes my al create where is number four organ transplantations with the help 3D Pinterest his my help save money life is number five is virtual holograms use mixed technology among humans begging for help in different worlds. Number six, more accessible communications over long distances. Though technologies difference not only be calls, be mails on the virtual holograms. Number seven, more animals in danger. Exist excision due to environmental. We are on the very front most sensible areas. Number nine, number eight, ecological fuel that does not populate the planet. Earth be water of Earth. Number nine, the use of solar planets in the homes of all family to have a better economic and, ecological energy. Number number 10. Deficit that depressing natural destroyers is although every although it watches tornadoes um I I watches and no more. Thank you.